Good morning from Kanchanaburi, this lovely hotel sort of apartment place. It's really nice. I've just been talking to the owners. The man has really good English and the lady has pretty good English, and we get by. And we were talking. There's lots of different people here. There's a couple from France who I was talking to over breakfast. And by the way, you can have breakfast; it's optional. American breakfast they call it, but it was. I chose to have toast, egg, 2 eggs, and croissant and coffee, and it was 100 baht, which is pretty good. £2. I mean, you can't get much for that. It is optional; you don't have to have it. And for this room itself, 700 baht, which was pretty good, and we booked it online on booking.com. It seems like they do a lot of work on that, so they get a lot of their bookings through that. We were gonna try and stay another night here, but unfortunately they had no availability, which was disappointing because having looked at the map, we now find out that there's quite a lot to do here. So whereas we were going to go and see the train and that was it, there's actually a lot more stuff to do, and we're probably not going to be able to do it because we're going to have to head home back to Khon Kaen, which is going to mean that we'll get home probably 2 or 3 in the morning, because it's a good 8-hour drive from here. Yeah, and last night the guy told us it was 10:30 for the train, and then this morning it's now 10 o'clock. Well, it's 20 to 10 now, I think, so we've got 20 minutes to get down to the station. The station is about 3 kilometres away on the right hand side of the main road, providing of course that we can find the main road, because last night we got a bit lost, and the restaurant was really nice, they recommended, and we went down there and he took us down on his little scooter, which was a real experience. More for him than me. And it was, but the thing was, everything stopped at 10 o'clock. Everybody went home at 10 o'clock. It was like, what? What's that about? So we were the last ones there at the restaurant. Yeah, weren't we? We were the last ones. So off we go. We're going to go off to see if we can find the train and go on that. And it goes across the bridge which is why we're here. Bridge over the River Kwai. In actual fact, please remember, it's not actually called the Kwai River. It's some other name, Mae Yong or Mae Yai or something like that. And the very resourceful tourist Thai board decided to, because it had this connection with the real life incident and the film, and people came here to see it, they just changed the river name. That's really good, that's really ingenious. Haven't got a river by that name, but we'll just call it that. So they've changed the name to the Kwai. In actual fact, it's the Little Kwai, I think it is. They call it the Little Kwai. Might be the Big Kwai, actually. I don't know. Anyway, you can look that up on Google. Talking of Google, don't trust Google.
No, จะต่ออะค่ะ One more day.
Oh yes, please.
Okay.
Yes,
เพราะ
please.
ว่าroom yesterday no check in.
Yes.
2 room.
Number.
Yeah.
We go down.
Yeah. How about you? One more night.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much, Khon Kaen. So we have just been told that there's a room available, so we can stay and do all those things that we said that we couldn't probably do. Oh, we can now. Hooray! Are you happy with that, darling? Huh? Say hello.
Hello.
Is that it? Oh my God, darling, wake up.
Hello.
It's morning. I know you don't like morning. No, she doesn't like morning. She doesn't like morning very much. She doesn't eat breakfast. Later on we'll have some Thai food, probably. She wants to eat noodles every day, I tell you. noodles and some tam. I mean, I just don't believe it. So here we are at Kanchanaburi Station. We're going on the train, hopefully. It's 10 minutes late apparently, so it should be 10:40. Bit of a rush to find it. We did find it in the end. Now this is Kanchanaburi Station, and we're going to go on the across the railway bridge to River Kwai and hopefully get some good footage. So just have a little look that way. And that way. So quite a nice settled station. Yes, so let's wait for the train to arrive in about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll get on board and off we go.
Yeah.
45, 46. What do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we are on the train. Bit of a palaver. We have to cross the track in order to get on the train, which is parked, and then the engine comes off of the other train and comes down and onto these 3 carriages, which are our train. So we have to wait. There's not that many people here. These 3 carriages, 100 baht a time. Yes, so it should be quite good. We all got one-way ticket, and so it was 100 baht per leg. And we were told that you could have 100, you could have a return ticket, which obviously we haven't got. Now we just wait for them to hook up the engine. Definitely not accessible. I had to climb up the steps, even with the platform. It's not very high on the platform, it's still 3 steps up into the carriage. And not easy to get onto. If you're mobile then it's okay, but otherwise there's no way that you would get on this train. See, we can set up there. Yes. So in Thailand we're going backwards now. We haven't even started yet. What do you think, guys? There you go. You know that train. I am go on the other train. Connect.
Yes.
What do you want?
My girls want to look.
Ready for bang?
Huh?
Boom. Ready? 3, 2, 1, bang! Oh, very good.
Bang, bang.
Now look, we could have waited and got them on the train from here. Look, because the platform is here. So we crossed over the lines and there's a platform just there. That's weird. Here we go, we're on the train, we're moving forward now. They took the train, they reversed it back up onto the other carriages, and now we're moving that way. Namtok. Pretty much empty. There's not very many people here. And quite a nice day today, it's quite cool. We've got a nice breeze coming through. In the summer it's quite hot. We're going to go off to Namtok now. Trying to sell me stuff, hats and books and stuff. I suppose they got to make some money somehow. Looks like another station. Yeah, River Kwai Bridge. Yes, I know, they come on. A lot of people come on now. Oh! Market. Outside. Nobody come. Okay, looks like we're going to go. A very helpful chap suggested that the right side of the carriage is better for photographs and videos, so that's where I'm going to be. So the certainly encompass the tourist aspect of this very traumatic place and an incident when many hundreds of people died building this railway for the Japanese. But you know, I suppose that's life, isn't it? People make the most of it. People want to come and see it, come and remember it, and you know, if you got that chance, then you know, make the most of it, really. And you have to excuse me. That was the Brussels sprouts.
Excuse me.
I think really for £100, £2, not bad. I mean, that's not extortion. Not like some of the places that we've been to where they charge twice as much for farang. Although I was told that my wife could have gone for free if she just sat separately. So a little bit of discrimination. And this is where we are. This looks like the bridge. I'm walking across the bridge. Sorry for the wonky angle. There's a massive temple over there. Hello. Back when that video will be the proper way round. Because I can take the tripod. I can't do anything about it. So this is actually the Death Railway that was POWs built, and it goes through quite hilly terrain. If you really want to see what it's like and have a real understanding of the documentary, then you can probably watch TV program with one of them highly paid, I will say, presenters, you know, that go around and do train journeys, etc. I know that I think it was Chris Tarrant. Yeah, I'm pretty certain it was Chris Tarrant who went on this particular journey. In the front of the train.
Station or tour station after this, we will pass the highlight of the road. Where everyone want to be on this side, when we pass the highlight, now you can't out of the window because when you pass the highlight, it's the same thing. Out of the window to see how high they are. It's on the yeah. They are very similar. Of them from the but this is the wooden one, but not in the movie. We will see tomorrow after
Oh my God, too many cameras.
All right, this will be my Womack
Young Womack.
Oh, like a four spoon?
Just hold it for
You know how to say of course.
Oh, we gotta stand.
Can I walk through? Can I go there?
You can.
Oh, yes.
On there.
Oh, it's alright. I'm gonna let they can sit. Meg, Jackie.
I literally feel like I'm on the Polar Express. What is this? Yeah, where's the Captain Cat?
Oh my. Meg. Megan.
I need to leave.
definitely sweaty.
Only another hour. Or two. Oh my god, this is an hour. And we're gonna be standing. Let's go walk around the train.